Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to send a video as a document on WhatsApp. This is super helpful if your video is too large to send normally. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Now, choose the chat where you want to send the video. It can be a friend or a group chat. Next, look for the paperclip icon at the bottom right corner of the chat. Tap on it. Instead of selecting Gallery, tap on Document. This option lets you send larger files. Now, browse through your files. You might have to look in the Videos folder. Find the video you want to send. Once you find it, tap on it and then hit Send. Your video will be sent as a document. And that's it. You've successfully sent a video as a document on WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.